Hey there, design wizards! Today, we're diving into a super fun cartoon animation trick using Canva. Ready to bring your designs to life? Let's get started. First things first, let's fire up Canva and start a new video project. Head over to the Videos tab and click on Create a New Video. Now, let's find some cool elements to jazz up our animation. Go to Elements and type Speedlines into the search bar. Pick a speedline element you like and drag it onto your video. Rotate it a bit and stretch it so the lines move from right to left. Resize it to fit your frame. Awesome! Now, let's make this element pop. I'm using an astronaut here. Click on the element and center it in your frame. Next, click Animate, scroll down, and choose the Wiggle animation. For a smooth look, decrease the wiggle intensity to the minimum. And voila! Your cartoon animation is ready to roll. I hope you enjoyed this fun little trick. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Canva hacks and design tips. See you next time!